Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Nginx Basic Auth for VPS dashboard step by step clearly. First, access your virtual private server via SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal. Log in with your VPS IP address and your server credentials. Once logged in, update your package lists. Use the command sudo apt update. Next, install Nginx if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install Nginx. Once installed, start the Nginx service. Use the command sudo systemctl start Nginx. To ensure Nginx starts on boot, use sudo systemctl enable Nginx. Now, create a password file for basic authentication. Use the command sudo passwd/etc/nginx/.passwd username. Replace username with your desired username. You will be prompted to enter a password for this user. Confirm the password when prompted. Next, configure Nginx to use basic authentication. Open your Nginx server block file for editing. This file is typically located at /etc/nginx/sites available/default. Use the command sudo nano /etc/nginx/sites available/default. Inside the server block, add the following lines: auth_basic restricted access, auth_basic_user_file/etc. Save your changes and exit the text editor. To test your configuration, use the command sudo nginxt. Ensure there are no errors in the configuration. If everything is correct, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Use the command sudo systemctl restart Nginx. Now, access your VPS dashboard via a web browser. You should be prompted for the username and password. Enter the credentials you created earlier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.